Hello, my name's Hung and I'm back with my video tutorial. Right now I would like to show you guys how I navigate my Poodle to take out my videos link to my site. Yeah, first of all I click on my videos and I found out my first recording like this. And then I click on get link to share, and then you guys may see that I've got direct link here, and then I copy the link like this, and then I move to my site with my title. I may write my very first, my subject, my very first Poodle. Yeah, I've got subject, and right now I write my message like this. My first try on this tool. Yeah, you guys may look this. I got a message and I bought them, and I change the color. We're in red. Yeah, you will see, and I change the heading like this, large. Yeah, it look much more interesting, right? And right now I've got link. I'm sorry, I've got link like this, and I copy the link and I create a link on this, and then I post to forum. That's my sharing today. Thank you so much for your attention.